Hello everyone, and this is a video which a lot of students have been asking me to put, which is the to-do list for NMAT. Now we know that NMAT is starting from 4th of November, which is almost just a month from now. So this is the 30 days plan, wherein these are the things you need to do. These are the to-do list, must to-do list that you should do if at all you are really serious for NMAT. Otherwise I don't think this is a video for you, where you're thinking that NMAT is just an option for you and you're really not that focused towards NMAT. So obviously you will not take this much of effort which I'm going to share today. So make sure that if at all you are genuinely serious for NMAT, these are the pointers that you should be working on. So with that, I go ahead. A quick reminder to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we have live lectures 8 p.m. We have live lectures coming up, aptitude, CAT, previous year CAT questions, all of that being solved on YouTube channel. You can watch them. You can also follow us on Instagram, because we have an Instagram account wherein we post daily current affairs, MBA alerts. We have guidance videos coming up, so make sure that you're following us on YouTube as well as on Instagram. Now, this is a real important thing. A lot of people think that, like, who's going to spend this much amount more on guide, mock? Understand, you have already paid the examination fees. You're going for an MBA program where definitely you will have to invest a little bit more. But if you are genuinely serious, as I said, if you're genuinely serious, please do invest. This much is hardly, I think this is going to be for 700 800 rupees, which is going to be for the guide and mock. In fact, if you guys have heard or seen that video, wherein one of our ex-students, who was really crazy for NMAT, he made sure that he solved each and every question from the official guide, from the mock, because this year itself it becomes even more important because they have changed the pattern. They have changed the pattern. A lot of people I've seen are putting some videos with regard to that this topic or this chapter will not come in your NMAT exam. But if you go to the official website, there is nothing of that sort of which talks about that these are the chapters which are going to come and these are chapters which are not going to come. Nothing like that. So there are certain pointers which are not right now very clear. But however, I am of this opinion that because in fact, I thought that I'll show you on the website also. If you can just go to the NMAT website, and let us see what are they talking about. So yes, so this is about the guide. Definitely you see that these are certain advantages, right? You have 201 questions from past NMAT, by GMAT. So this is with the answer key. You definitely have advantages. 475 practice questions are there. So you would definitely, and this is only for 900 rupees. I think, this really makes sense to buy and master these, these 700, 800 questions that you're getting from here. These are really going to be important things, to prepare for NMAT. Why? Because this, you must have definitely, whatever you're preparing for CAT, CET, whatever, but these questions are going to be of real NMAT flavor. So that is going to be an advantage if you're preparing. In fact, let us see. So this is which talks about, I think, the official prep, which is they have some packages here. Like you anyways have a free exam if you have registered. So make sure that you're giving that free exam at least. You get access to this 108 past NMAT questions. And apart from that, if you buy this particular package, which is for, I think, 2 or 3 mocks more, 800 rupees, this is giving you more access, more questions. So understand, with this 216 questions here, this 108 questions and the official guide, I think you will be solving close to 1000 questions, which is given by the NMAT paper setter only, because NMAT paper setter is what? Is GMAC, and GMAC is setting these books and these mocks as well. So you're getting good 1000 questions. So you might be thinking, sir, yahan pe isko promote kar rahe hain, like that. See, there's no promotion at all. But what is, from my point of view, that obviously if there is something which is giving you the real flavor of the exam, definitely you should go and buy. Aapko buy karna hai, nahi karna, that's your call. My job is to make sure that I give the right guidance. This is of some fee, but I think you should definitely invest. All right, and if I go, so I was also checking. So there is some sample questions. This is the type of sample questions on which you see this coming soon. Nothing is mentioned. So if someone is challenging with regards to this, these are the topics which are not going to come in NMAT. I cannot say much, regarding that with any confidence, with any evidence out here. So that's why I'm not commenting on that. But yes, one thing is for sure. When GMAC is setting a paper, and now they're moving NMAT more towards GMAT exam, there is definitely going to be some more GMAT flavor coming into it. So I'm going to share in this video, going back to my slide and telling you that what more is the GMAT flavor that can be added. Because one thing that they've already added, that it is going to be a adaptive test, okay, which was GMAT before. So now even NMAT is adaptive test. So definitely there is going to be some GMAT flavor coming in. So next thing is one more. If you go on the website, there's a study plan they're given you of how you're supposed to use the book. Okay, use the official guide. So they have given you the practice test. Okay, official guide, what all things. So you can quickly pause this video and go through this as well. This is what, like 2 weeks plan, okay, or 6 weeks plan that they've given. You can definitely go through them also. Okay, you can pause the video and check them. This is anyways there on their website. Okay, this is their opinion. Okay, my understanding of the entire situation is a little different. Okay, or rather I'm going to tell you that what you should be focusing on more. Okay, so one thing that I have made sure that you are giving for studying from official guide and mock a total of good 1,000 questions that you will get to practice from there. So definitely go ahead, okay, and make sure that you're practicing that. Okay, next thing, because NMAT mock is going to be of another pattern, okay, you should be giving, okay, and it is a speed based exam. Okay, it's a speed based exam, so you should be giving at least of 20 to 30 marks. Okay, I mean, for me, I will take a mid number 25, minimum 25 marks you should be giving. Okay, so make sure that you can buy multiple packages from different institutions, okay, so that you have good 25 NMAT marks, okay, that you will be giving. I understand that not all 25 you can give before the first attempt. I'm sure you can, like, you will have multiple attempts that you can give for NMAT. So you can start with 10 marks, okay, before the first attempt, and probably more 15 marks before the second attempt. Okay, and I said before, according to me, I think 2 attempts are good enough. Okay, third attempt only if you are missing your cutoff by a very small margin. All right, so what things are focused? Okay, now apart from that, now critical reasoning. This is what I was saying, that the GMAT flavor. Okay, now GMAT has got a lot of emphasis that it gives to critical reasoning. Okay, you can expect critical reasoning as a question which is going to be like around, I think 50% of the LR paper usually is out of critical reasoning. If not 50%, at least 40% comes from there. So that means it becomes really important, the critical reasoning part. Okay, those strengthening, weakening, the arguments, assumptions, conclusion, those are real important things for NMAT. You need to focus that. Okay, you need to prepare on that. Another thing, on the reading comprehension front, okay, on the reading comprehension front also, you will get a lot of critical reasoning based questions. Okay, they will again say the same thing, that what of these options are actually weakening the author's standpoint, okay, or the author's point of view. So these are real important things. Okay, and a lot of people who are not able to crack NMAT is because of critical reasoning. So make sure that you are using this. Okay, like you should not go wrong here. Okay, you should not be missing on this. Okay, these things you should be covering. All right, next come is DI and DS. Okay, now understand 36 questions is going to be on cons, which is nothing but cons plus DI. So what, like you are taking a lot of effort to prepare for cons. So definitely, like 36 questions, you should be expecting, according to me, around 10 to 15 questions would come on data interpretation. Okay, in fact, can go till 18 also. So if there are 10 to 15 questions which is going to be data interpretation or DS together coming in, so it has a good amount of weightage. And this is, as I said, a speed based exam. You should focus a lot towards your calculation part. So make sure that you are working on your calculations, you are improving on that. Okay, do not miss up on that. So focus a lot on DI. Okay, solve fast calculations, do calculation based DI a lot. Okay, because you would get calculation based DI only. Okay, you will not get any logical based DI and all that. You will get pure simple calculation based, but the calculation is going to be heavy. So you have to be real good with basic calculations. What is basic calculation? Plus, minus, multiplication and divide. Okay, any combination of this only. Percentage is also but nothing but division only. So you should be good with these basic four things that I always tell you. And in fact, I always tell my students, okay, that you need to do 30 minutes, okay, 30 minutes, 60 calculations. Okay, make this as a habit, 30 minutes, 60 calculations, and that is going to help you a lot for your NMAT. Now, more clarity after fourth. Okay, now for people who are claiming that a particular set of topics will not come, okay, as I showed you on the website, there is nowhere mentioned about what is going to come, what is not going to come. They have only given you that cons, logical reasoning, and verbal. These 3 sections are going to come. Okay, nothing in terms of the chapters inside this. There's no official clarity on that. So 4th of November is the first set of people who will be going to give the exam. you definitely have more slots to give. Okay, you have more attempts to give. So if someone is going on 4th November, okay, and your exam is anytime scheduled after that, you can take that pointers and understand and accordingly tweak your preparation. So till that time, I'm going to tell you that these things which I told you, okay, working through the official guide and those mocks, okay, focusing on critical reasoning, DIDS, okay, these things are really, really important. Make sure that you're doing those pointers. And by after 4th, if at all you have your first attempt, which is quite late after 4th November, definitely we can bring in those changes. If not, definitely we can bring that change in the second attempt. I hope you guys like the video. And is there something more that you want me to cover up in this video which I have not covered? You can please ask that in the comment section and I can give you clarity on that as well. Thanks for watching this video. Please do like it and share it with your friends. All the best. Thank you.